Okay, you've decided it's time to build your dream home. So where do you start? First and foremost is a budget. What can you afford or qualify for? Most of my customers need a construction loan, so get pre-approved for a loan. If you're paying cash, then verify that the funds available are adequate to complete the project. Next is what I call a reality check. Before you buy land or start plans, find out what you can afford to build with the available funds. This is an excellent time to meet with an owner-managed homes consultant to discuss your dream home and current building costs. If the reality check has not blown you out of the water, then buying land is the next step. Some important things to consider before buying land are utilities, site work, and restrictions. Are water and sewer available? Or will a well or septic system be required? Is there electricity nearby? And is it overhead or underground? How about the site? Is it ready to build on, or will there be a lot of cost to prepare the land for building? What are the building restrictions and setbacks? Will your dream home fit on the lot and on future improvements you may be considering, such as a pool or workshop? Once you have the land, then it's time to get a plan. There are two options for getting house plans. 1, buy an existing plan, or 2, custom design. Purchasing an existing plan is the least expensive and fastest way to get a plan. However, it can be difficult to find exactly what you want. For that reason, I estimate about 90% of my customers opt for a custom design. For custom plans, you'll need to hire an architect or home designer. A designer is usually less expensive than an architect. For most residential structures, a designer can provide a good buildable set of construction drawings. Some municipalities may require that plans are stamped by an architect, but most do not. Once you have a preliminary drawing, meet with your consultant to work up a cost estimate to ensure the design is within the budget. It is tempting to let the house grow during the design phase, so be careful to keep the plans within that budget. When the plans are close to completion, it is time to finalize the cost estimate and other paperwork required by the lender for the construction loan. While the loan is in process, the soil test, engineering, HOA approval, and permits can be obtained. When the construction loan is ready to close, we should have engineering completed and bids for site work, foundation, plumbing, and electrical ready to go. An owner-managed homes consultant can walk you through these preliminary steps, assist with design and construction financing. Happy building.